Welcome to an over-the-top adventure into the world of tanks. Get ready for a witty and sarcastic dive into their steel-plated history. Tanks, the ultimate symbol of military might and the epitome of let's drive through everything, designed to dominate the battlefield. Created for warfare, tanks first roared to life during World War I with the British Mark I in 1916. They've rewritten history ever since. World War II saw epic tank battles, particularly between Germany and the Soviet Union. Think Game of Thrones, but with more metal. Today's tanks are high-tech war machines with lasers, smart armor, and automation. It's like Iron Man meets Transformers. Modern tanks face a new enemy: drones. These buzzing nuisances expose vulnerabilities that were previously unthinkable. Will tanks continue to be a threat in the future? Only time will tell. But as long as there are battles, tanks will be there, rewriting warfare with a sarcastic comment.